Welcome back. It's still the Van Rap Radio. Ngazina Nitukan Suhana Niwana Maunguni. Hey, yo, guys, you don't want to know, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so we're gonna get into the issue straight away. The issue, I know I might get in trouble. I know at the same you are. I know there might be a lot of things that might be said because I'm saying these things. Kongwanamus. But but this is how I'm seeing this whole situation. This is how I'm seeing this whole issue. So I don't go feel what I'm saying you don't agree with it. It's fine. You can comment, you can say whatever you want to say. Mara arichi mapungo sema na wai matamba wakoma na baratu zikalazi makadzi na mini zote arichi comment nga matamba. But then yeah man, let's move forward. We have a huge issue that we pick up around venda because I'm one of the person I worry is on a lot of WhatsApp group. I just get added in different WhatsApp groups almost every day. Kore number yanga 0826937124. Number ya public ine but winja watu banayo come even though wangasha wamba na ndezi lugo shabisa mini adoro the one ra mara barisha yuza mini. Okay, enough about me. So what is happening in Zori, we finding a lot of people but I want the artists and but never want the artists but bako push the artists. You're not allowed to share music kwa mumu tukanamba ngwe artist kai group nichinga busori munandu na wanojifas group yawe. Okay, how do you expect music to be able to spread if you compare like in your WhatsApp group? Because if you allow other people to share music, which means the music one more the share because group zabangu. But if you're gonna come and tell us or you are go store that hey no this and this not supposed to be done like this not supposed to be this way, hey now here's the truth no hot as way to so they are always fighting for nothing man. Udambango nduri mapungo ala sokodo fi I'm better than who, so angas postiwa apa grupuni. But at the end of the day music uroko promotiwa the music wabewe note akoro promotwa mutu page apa ndari ni baimbi bote no dara and then abana batu bane ba filori because baka this thing what do you call this shit man, this is the WhatsApp group zabo they filori bone they've made it better than all these other artists. Nduri chidaka bone they are bazote uchidaka music auna mtu na mti ono wapira auna opimini, so which means uchidaka bone you need to stay out of the way. Or if amba something grupuni hapo inabori niko zamo commenter, what's going to happen is that you get blocked right away. Nivwanga blocking kana kiko out wane for group unina visi wana blocking wana buzofi this is my group ngobon. How can it be your group if you created a group for your fans? How can it be your group? This one of the when I look at it, when this is understand when it comes to what and meaning most of the artists that Filori I've made it because I have 200 people are saying my music is dope, but are you selling? Why isn't your music growing? Why isn't your brand growing? Because your limitation is within that WhatsApp group. I remember even when I posted this, I tweeted this, I shared this, that the problem with artists WhatsApp group, you are thinking you are doing good because everyone in the group agrees with your bullshit. Yeah. Zona group mumona mumwe kutenda zone auna ndo kusabudziso ahuna ramini nari this is a hate. Yeah, it's a hate boss. Yeah, it's a hate. But we know the truth, it's not a hate. Let me check this. I'm back. Yeah. So it's not about a hate, it's about who are you doing your music for? That's the first question. Nikwetera music wa nikwetera nikwetera imunde nikwetera bangana bantu nikwetera anewa watu wale na pori abagabani kuzimbuzo. Yeah, tell us. Who are you making your music for? Or if your fans does not have a say and then they're not allowed to say a word, then we have a problem. We have a huge problem. I don't know. It's something I don't know how we're gonna resolve it. It's something I don't know how we're gonna fix it because the issue in Yabori venda it's affecting us big time. the issue in I don't know, man. I don't know how we're gonna do this whole thing. I'm sorry, guys. We're in a video and freezer. Yes, as I'm running a lot of gadgets here, and I think one of them during the equatory signal is not through, but yeah, I'm coming back. Yeah, man, I'm back again. I'm sorry about that. Look at your growth. Look at his growth as an artist. Music wa mungu kunavuka WhatsApp now. I don't support anything you're releasing on WhatsApp because one person buys it and you share it on WhatsApp. You made around 100 bucks, but you feel like I'm doing it. Guys, strategize, plan, hustle, do things a different way. Don't just follow the trend, man. Kongwana mus, but mafungondiane umatenda kwamba onori.
Don't just follow the trend.
Uri ubatu banina banavoka WhatsApp group. It doesn't mean Uri you are doing good. If you understand what I'm saying, it doesn't mean Uri ngozwita and they are right. Azuyambi Uri ini you are running the game. Azuyambi Uri ini you are winning because you not. So you should understand when we say this whole thing, music, it's way crazy, it's way too complicated, but you need to understand Uri. Ubaka WhatsApp now 200 doesn't make you the best, doesn't mean anything. And then ukwagisa abantu ngori ofila Uri this is your group. No one can question you. Inda bamsanda. Rebabu dena. But those are like the sad part in Yori, you're gonna grow, and then when you grow, you're gonna blame everyone for not winning, not making it in the industry, for staying behind, for losing it, because your friends won't be there forever. Nicharua, we go separate ways. When we grow, we know groups but that time when everything was perfect, you hustling, you just go to Pretoria, Joburg, or Anepo Univerne, taking Verne and Kadivani High School, you're doing it. And the moment you pass matric or the moment you pass your standard 5, you pass your varsity, things change. Those groupies, yo man, I'm gonna get into that in detail. But right now we're talking about these guys feel like they have made it because WhatsApp group on question and come on. Then what you are complaining, no one is buying their music. How do you expect people to buy your music if you block everyone that disagrees with you? Cult following is not for everyone. Kuna watu waneka cult following were the winner, but it's not for everyone. No one. So, ubana WhatsApp group in every watu shaba doesn't mean that you're the best artist or you're winning. People just respect and they just wanna be in a group, sing, chat, the groupies and all that. But respect the hustle, respect the people that buy your music, listen to creative criticism. Or if you don't, you'll always blame everyone for your own downfall. I'm hoping you guys took a lot of rubbish. Yes, they always say I'm speaking a lot of rubbish. Yo, Gareth, should have a chat, my nigga. You have a lot of rubbish sitting in your head that you need to tell these upcoming artists. They don't know, Uri. You've been in this industry forever, man. You don't rap, you don't do shit, but you've been part of it. You've made it grow. So people gonna complain about Van Rap and all that, but yo, guys, I'm gonna tell you one thing. Do what you gotta do, but respect your fans. Listen to your fans. This music was good. You're still good, but you wanted to prove a point to everyone by disrespecting every single person. Ne ngadzina ndiduka ndiswana ndingwana ndo amahungoni amara here. I love you all. I hope we're gonna talk more about this whole shit. But what I'm telling you, WhatsApp group doesn't mean you made it in the industry. You just have your friends, your groupies, your homies, those niggas that wanna be part of your crew but they can't, then they just need to kiss your ass, lick your ass, that shit like that. WhatsApp doesn't mean you made it. Respect people. Yeah, man, I'm sorry if I've stepped in your toes. Ne, Sunambazoni. Harari basingiri, basango hango, habajeni, www.arijole.co.za. Wadu wana remote. Ne, ndaw yanduna. Amara here. Love you all.